Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel.
I must be dreaming. I must be dreaming.
Alright y'all, so we are about to get ready to go out tonight, okay? I'm thinking about doing like a half up, half down, because usually y'all, if it starts to look like this, it's time to start doing something. This is actually day 14. So I did my wash and go 2 weeks ago. This is the end result of the wash and go, as you can see. You only need like 2 products for this as well. Obviously you need your water, Eco Styling Gel. And I like to do a little moisturizer just because my hair is dry. It's day 14 hair. Mayo moisturizing hair butter. I'm just gonna use some argan oil just to coat it throughout the hair. I do my half up, half down very messy. I just like finger part it. I like to do it like right here where the ear is. Oh y'all, this middle is so knotted. Okay, that's like enough hair for the back. I want it to be like pretty big. This up. So I'm gonna just spray some water. Not too much because I want to keep the volume. This will like reactivate whatever's left in there, which ain't much. I just slightly water it. About this much. And I just tie that up here while I work with this. Now this is the main girl that we have to deal with. This you want to get really wet. And put a little bit in the back. Do a little bit like this. I kind of want to like pull it back and have it sit like right here. Now we'll go with the olive Eco Styling Gel. I'm gonna take this brush to smooth out any curls or bumps that are along the way. Oh my god, I forgot to show y'all. This is what I'm gonna use for edge control. I typically like the pink one, but I wanted to get orange and try it out. They also smell really, really good. We're just gonna take just a dab of this. Add some extraness to it. Especially around like the ponytail part. Like, I don't know why, like that always has like the most flyaways. Ooh, honey, look at that orange. Y'all see that? And then we're gonna take the bigger brush. This is hard. Y'all want this to be hard. Is she sitting the way I want her to sit? That's good. Just add a little bit more gel. Okay. And that's it. Y'all see her? Y'all see how bomb she look? It's nice and smooth. And that's it, really. Now we just gotta do edges. I'm gonna use this for edge control. Oh my god, y'all, like, I remember back in the day, like, pre-pandemic, I used to always tell my friends, I don't have edges, I don't have edges, I have no edges. Baby, there's edges there, I just didn't know how to do it. And during the pandemic, one of the things I tried to learn was how to do my edges. And baby, I was looking a mess almost every freaking time. After a year or so, I gotten better. I'm not like a pro, but we do what we have to do, you know what I mean? But that's looking kind of cute. All right, this side. I like this side better than this side. I'm gonna do the sideburns after I do makeup. What do you do first, hair or makeup? For me, I think I'd rather do, I'm sorry, I just cannot get over how like different this side is compared to this side. I just feel like this side looks more dull because y'all had stitches when I was little. Y'all know how it's like slippery on like getting onto like an Escalade or like a Suburban or whatever. Yeah, I was like, I don't know, maybe I think I was under 5 and I slipped on that thing and busted my head open, so no hair grows here.
I'm resilient, I'm strong, I'm powerful, I have head trauma.
So we're gonna have to do what it do. But yeah, y'all, I was trying to figure out like, should you do hair first, should you do makeup first? And my thing is, I much rather do hair first because if my hair is looking fine, like my face is gonna carry, and that's really no shade. My face, I think my face will be fine because the only thing you need to do is just like a little bit of makeup here and there, and eyebrows, mascara, and a lip if you just want to like go really quickly, you know. All right, y'all, we are back. We are done with glam. I put on my jacket that I'm wearing tonight. I was gonna show y'all like the glam, but y'all, like my camera literally like got overheated. Just by doing my one little tutorial. Ain't that crazy? But anyway, y'all. Yes, glam is done. I didn't do like a whole face. It looks like a whole face, but it's really not. But basically what I did was just a little bit of concealer. I did dots. Like I like to do dots. Just very little dots here, very dots there. Did a lip, which is only lip liner and then gloss. I did eyes. I feel like eyes is always very important to do because if you do eyes, like it just looks complete and looks like, you know, I'm really giving that eye contact, you know what I mean? But yes, and then brows, and then we did powder. That was literally it. I really do love how like my skin really just be coming through. I want that natural glow. You know what I mean? Like when you see me in the club, it's like, oh, that's skin. But also, y'all, my thing is about to die. This is the time that we do the sideburns. Basically what we do is just take a little bit of hair. Oh, we take a little bit of hair out. This is already like done. So we take like a little bit of hair out. I think this is good enough. That's enough. We just dab and come down with it. Down, press, come down. Overnight, it's gonna curl. You see that baby curl? It's such a baby curl. It's so cute. Okay, y'all. Now is what we all been waiting for. I hope this comes out cute. Like, I never know how it's gonna come out until like I take it out. So here we go. Come on. Okay. She's cute. Oh, she's real cute. How did she come out, y'all? Y'all see how bomb that look? She came out good.
Pose. You are looking at a legend in the flesh. Fresh about the kitchen to the check. Blue.
She works. Y'all like my jacket? I try to go like a little bit of jewelry, just very little because I feel like this is already giving a lot. Yeah, y'all, we are all ready to go. We are doing good on timing. So we're gonna go pregame at my friend's house and then we're gonna go out. All right, drop in the comments if y'all wanna see more hair stuff because this is actually kind of cute. See y'all.